Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate drop cables, support cables, for your 2011 Ford F-150. You need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. I'm going to end up replacing both cables for both sides. I'm going to do one side at a time, so that way I can detach it from the gate without worrying about it dropping down. So the first thing I'm going to do is detach it from the top part of the gate here. So you're going to raise and support the tailgate to a mid-level so you can have freedom of this cable. And you're just going to push this tab forward. Let's see if we can go in this way. And unhook it. Then you can drop your gate down. Now that the pressure is off of that, you've got a T45. So it's a Torx bit, T45. And the other nice thing is you can see right through, see that bolt. So I'm going to take full advantage of that and I'm going to spray it with the rust inhibitor. And I'm going to let that sit for a second and I'll pick this up. Now I'm going to take my T45 and just spin that bolt out. The bolt comes with this lock clip, so that way the tab and nothing falls down in. So now we have to take the bolt out, and it has that lock tab on there. So we're just going to take a pair of pliers and needle nose, and I'm just going to work it back up through. If you can spin it by hand, that's great. If not, you might have to put your Torx bit on there. Just hold that clip firmly. I'm going to reuse it, so that's why I don't want to destroy it. Perfect. Here we have our tailgate cable from 1A Auto, and here we have the factory one I just removed. They're both the same length. They've got the same design tabs to hold that in on the top. And the angles, there is a left and a right, so if you don't need both, make sure you click on the right correct cable for the side of the bed line that you want to put up. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So to reassemble this, what we're going to do is make sure that you put the shorter tab of the two that goes like that in the bed. The letter L in the opening of the cable will go towards the outside. You want the flat piece towards the bed. So I'm going to line that up so that this goes in between the two tabs go between that one big tin tab. Now we're going to slide the bolt through this way, spin it over, and I'm going to put that lock tab on. And this is something you can screw down with your hand. All you need to do is get a couple of threads started and push it down with the thumbs. There, now we can start the bolt, lining up that tab on the body, and then putting that down with the T45 Torx. So when tightening it down, do not rank on it because then your cable won't pivot. So we want to just bottom it out and turn it back about maybe a half a turn. And there's the freedom of the pin. And to reattach the top, you have the flat piece against the body and the lock tab on the outside. So you lift the gate up just a hair, and then you can put that bolt in the big slot, pull it down. Now it's locked in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.